Hi guys, some people have been waiting for this video for a very long time now. Sorry it took this long to make. Today we are going to be learning how to crack gum again, because I made a video before, and though the video was easy, or to me it looked simple, but so many people said it's hard for them. So I'll be making another video again today, and I hope this time around it's going to be super easy. So I'm going to actually go straight to the point. I'm going to make this very easy. So yeah, I think the reason why, despite the fact that you watched that video, learned everything, but still you can't crack gum, is not because of you. Maybe it's the gum. So maybe you should change the gum you're using, or try different gums and see what works for you. Just keep chewing until you're tired, and don't change all the time. Maintain one part. Use one part of your teeth to chew till you start cracking. When you start cracking, you can now move the gum from here to the other side, or from here to the other side, anyhow. So for me, when I really want to crack gum, I use gums like this. Sorry, I've I've almost finished the gum, but yeah, I use gums like this. This is Mentos. I can't remember the name, the exact name, but yeah, this is Mentos gum. So some gums are for bubbles, some gums are for just chewing, some gums are for cracking. This is one of the gum I recommend for cracking. So, and when you want to crack gum, don't, especially if you don't know how to crack before, don't chew too much. Let's start bit by bit till you start getting used to it. Then you can start increasing the gum. But for a start, or for a learner, you can do just one or maybe two, because for some people one will be too small. Sometimes when I eat just one, I end up biting my tongue, my chin and stuff like that. So but for this video, I'll try to use just one. So first, you have to sorry you have to chew it till the juice is out. So focus on just one teeth, like one side of your teeth. Like I said, don't move the gums, just one side. You have to chew till the juice is gone, or almost gone. As you can see, despite the fact that I crack a lot, it didn't really start cracking immediately I started chewing, because the juice, I don't know, has to be gone or almost gone before it can start cracking. I don't know how to explain that part, but that's one thing I've noticed. So like I said, I have issues using just one gum. When it comes to this gum, I'm already feeling like I'm going to bite myself. So let me just take one more. But yeah, if you can use just one without hurting yourself, go ahead. But I will use two so I can make a proper video. And yeah, when you're chewing, you can slightly open your mouth a bit so the sound can come out, or so you can easily crack the gum. Most people want to, like, keep it classy, maintain composure, and they want to close their mouth. But no, since you're just starting, try every possible means to make it crack. Well, this is fine. So I think this is very easy and straight to the point. try different gums, look for the one that works for you. You can try this if you can get it anywhere around you. If not, just keep trying different gums till you get a gum that can crack. Because like I said, the problem might not be you, it might be the gum you're using. So try changing your gum and maintain one side of your teeth. I don't know if I'm forgetting anything else, but yeah, I think this should be very easy and this is straightforward, and I think with this you should be able to get it. So don't just rush to like try 1 or 2 times and then you conclude that, oh, you don't know how to crack. No, keep trying, keep cracking, keep chewing. But once you're tired, you rest. You can try maybe hours later or some other time or some other day, but keep trying different gums different days. Try, okay, let's try 1 week straight. You keep cracking every day for 1 week straight, not same gum, different gums. Make sure the gum is not too much in your mouth, because it's very hard for you to chew, not to even talk of crack. So make sure the gum is not too much in your mouth. Make sure the gum is not too little, so you don't end up hurting yourself. And try different gums here. So you can do Sunday to Sunday, and if by Sunday to Sunday you still don't know how to crack a gum, then you can come back. But I don't know which other video I'll be able to do to help you. But I think here, buy 7 gums, try them for 7 days, morning, night, morning, night, morning, night. Just one side of your teeth, one part of your teeth. Don't change them, just one part till you start hearing that noise, that till you start hearing that sound. Then you can now start freestyling with your mouth. So if I should keep talking, I'll just keep repeating what I've said. So yeah, I think this is everything. I can do maybe 1 minute chewing before I end the video, so you can enjoy the cracking at the end of the video. But yeah, this is all the information I think I didn't add to the last video, or maybe I added but you didn't get it. So yeah, let's just do 1 minute cracking, then we can end the video. So I think it's 1 minute already. So after this, I'm going to do a proper gum cracking video, not how to, but a normal gum cracking where I sit down and crack gum. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you've been seeing all our gum chewing, gum cracking, gum popping, gum blowing, gum snapping video, and hope you've been sharing them. Thank you. Hope to see you on our next video. Stay tuned. Bye.